platform which we are building as of now. So this is mainly for the agencies which has lots of Shopify account, Meta accounts, and a Google accounts. So as of now, we are providing these five connectors. So in future, if there is a demand for any other connectors, we will try to add that. So if you try to extract the data, if you wanted to extract the data from a Shopify store, then you can just come over here, give a connection name. You can test your connections, and then once your test is successful, then you can save the connections. So once you create the connections out of this, all your connections you would be able to see over here. So once you have the connector name available here, then you can sync now. What does sync now does is it's kick off the backend process. It basically uses the connection detail which you had provided in the previous screen, and it loads the data into database. So here we support three type of data extractions. Two type of data extraction. One is like full load, like which extract the data from from the initial stage till date, and incremental wherein we check, okay, what was the last extraction date, and based on that we do some incremental processing. We also support scheduling it, like you can schedule this particular job at some particular, like you want to do some this extraction at some particular time of a day, like maybe twice in a day or once in a day, you can do that as well. Now, once we have all the data synced, then on a home screen, we have five different categories of a dashboard. One is an overview dashboard, like which at high level shows you like what is your total revenue, what is your total order, what is ROS and profit margin. And we can try to enhance and add some more analytics at the overview section as well. Then it comes to the revenue. So in the total revenue, it shows like what was your total revenue, what is the profit, what was your margin over different period of over last 1 month. Here using this date panel, we can basically change the date range for which we want to see the data. And regarding the marketing, like suppose if you are having Google ads and Meta ads, then based on that you would be able to see, okay, how your Google ad is doing, how much you spend on the ads versus how much revenue has been generated. Those kinds of calculation you can see over here. And then on the product tab, you will see how at each individual product level, how it is performing, whether it is doing good or it is doing bad. So it will give you that kind of summary information. And then at the customer profile level, okay, who- how much is your returning customer? What is your LTV, CVC ratio? And then these kinds of information, you can find it over here. So this is kind of a dashboard which you will have all the details. So you can export this data as well. And the fun fact or the USP for this product is like we have an AI insights. So we have your data, we have generated a dashboard for you. Now on this AI insight, we will recommend, okay, what you can do and what you can do to make yourself more profitable. So based on the data, it will populate. Okay, so this particular campaign is a loss-making campaign. So if you recommended action is like you can pause this immediately to stop losing money. So if you click it over here, then internally it will call the agent and it will just push it and it will stop it. So these insights either you can mail to yourself or WhatsApp to yourself. And we are also trying to work upon the integration, like whether these insights can be sent over WhatsApp to the end user. And based on that, from the WhatsApp only, they would be able to take a decisions. Okay, like this kind of like pause this campaign or review pricing. So those kinds of stuff they would be able to do using WhatsApp itself. Thank you. Let me know in case of any query.